What is up, anyone? Welcome again to the Crypto Blitz, your private home and your crypto restoration. I'm your host, CoinGraph Market. Hopefully, as soon as having an exceptional day. It's Sunday, January 19th. 2 extra first-rate football games on the Rams-Eagles. Look, I'm gonna watch it. I'm gonna be a variety of snow need to be a quite sloppy game. But the sport I'm interested in ultimate nighttime changed into the Redskins and Lions. What in disillusioned? I had the under I were given definitely destroyed. I failed to think we were going to see a shootout, but here we cross. We were given a shootout. What an interesting sport I imply this Redskins to disillusion the Lions on the road. Congrats to them. However, I'm equipped for the Bills-Ravens in Buffalo. I'm going Buffalo parents. You got to go with the Bills right here. I suppose the Bills are going to the Super Bowl. I assume it is going to be Buffalo as opposed to KC. I suppose the Bills beat them. I then think we are probable searching at Buffalo. It's gonna sound loopy. However, I think Buffalo versus the Redskins. This is gonna be your Super Bowl matchup. Games are kicking off this afternoon. I cannot wait. I love nothing. But Sunday, a pleasing cold beer and a few football on the TV is like how I want to live my existence. Just that is what comforts me, and it's relaxing, and it is chilling, and I should step far away from the madness and crypto. But on this video, we are going to talk approximately one very critical thing, that being retail is priced out. Many of you possibly do not understand this already, but it's far the useless sincere fact. Retail is priced out of the crypto markets. Retail is not going with a view to make existence-changing profits on crypto. Now, earlier than you all get, all crazy on me, and you're going to turn off the video because you are like this man does not recognize what he's speaking about. We're going to undergo it. I'm going to open your eyes to recognize that those markets at the moment are managed and run via the institutions, and that retail will not be able to make an existence-changing amount of money here. We're going to go through the numbers. Parents, do not you worry. But before that, let's leap in. Observe the expenses of Bitcoin. It's currently down or currently up 0.67%. It's 104,852 greenbacks. The theory I'm coming out of 3,376. It's now not 1.7% XRP coming at $3.13. It's down 2.41% as both USDT and USDC. Coming in at their dollar pegs and salon is taking a little bit of a breather, used to be 292. It's coming on down to 268. Tomorrow's a totally interesting day. This can be one of these. Purchase the rumor. Sell the information kind of activities. We would see a big liquidation within the crypto markets this following week before we retain this bull rally. Up, it'll be very thrilling to peer. What happens day after today? That is what I am paying attention to. The occasions that move down. Day after today, Trump eventually officially turns into president. What does his first week appear to be? What policies are going to return into play right off the rip and in which the crypto markets are going to move? That is what I am listening to right now. Because this may even go one among methods. We're either going to rip to the upside and the bull runs formally on, or we are going to see one very last correction proper. Which facet are you on? Which camp are you on? It's a 50-50 bet available for everyone telling you that they recognize Squeaky Mouse positioned out his chart. He said XRP is forming, every other hammer on the every day. He stated he wondered what happened final time. I fashioned this hammer. There's the chart. You could see the hammer getting formed and what happened ultimate time. Off to the races we pass inside the quick to medium term. We're talking Q1-ish. He has a target of XRP on 4,020 cents. Look, I consider it 4 to 6. That's my variety. I said the ones 350 to 650. In addition to looking at we have the equal tiers happening here, I'm with it in the brief term. I do trust that this is going to show up by the end of Q1, whether or not we start pushing up in February or we start ripping the following day. It is going on very, very quickly, and I cannot wait. And here's the tweet. I said, you do comprehend that retail is already priced down. People do not apprehend this. They do not get it. Let's cross over the numbers for a 2D. If we appearance at the retirement system set up in the U.S., The most amount that you can put into retirement in keeping with 12 months is $23,000. A majority of people in the United States do no longer come anywhere near maxing out their retirement. So do you believe you studied that those people which can be unable to max out their retirement, that's pre-tax bucks, have $23,000 you're sitting around in their bank account that they can liquidate into the cryptocurrency markets? If we take a look at the rate of 1 Bitcoin, it's 100,000 greenbacks. Do you simply suppose that retail has $100,000 to shop for 1 Bitcoin? If you answer yes to this query, if Bitcoin was to run to 300K, they have got made a 3 eggs on their cash and they made $300,000. That isn't lifestyles converting. After taxes, they're looking at about 260K. That isn't generational wealth money. That is very good to make. Don't get me incorrect about that or get wrong on that. That is a completely pleasant chew of cash. That would probably pay off a residence. Will pay off all your debt. However, lifestyles converting retirement cash, early retirement, no longer even close. When we take a look at the charge of Bitcoin, when it was 50K, you have been capable of get close to a half of a Bitcoin at 50,000. Okay, for your $23,000 investment, Bitcoin goes on from right here and does a 5 to 6x this cycle from 50K, and we get to 250, 300. You simply made quite a few cash, a 6-get 5x in your funding, and that's at the 23,000. We have a look at XRP is $3, folks, $3 per 1 XRP. If you were to say, and you firmly agree with that, someplace obtainable, that your neighbor, your cousin, your anything which you want to placing as a person who is aware of a retail investor has $100,000 to position within the XRP that might get them about $33,000 XRP if XRP is going to $10. This cycle, 33,000 XRP instances $10 is best $333,000, and that is in the event that they have 100K. I'm telling you proper. Now, retail does not have $100,000. If they were to put $23,000 into XRP right now, they might only be getting approximately 7,600 XRP for his or her 100K. 7,600 parents. What is 7,600 instances? 10. $76,000. Retail at those fees, we need close to a 1,000,000 greenbacks to invest into XRP. If you probably did 500,000 divided with the 8 of 3, it might provide them $196,666 XRP. If it goes to 10 greenbacks, they could make $1.6 million. So 500,000 into XRP to show that to 3x, that into 1.6. Life converting cash for maximum folks. Yes.